What's going on, Tickety Talk? DTF Junkie here again, and I wanted to share something that I added to my website that could make things a whole lot easier for everybody. Stay tuned. All right, Tickety Talk, we're back. So let's get to it. Let's talk about that good news. And it happens to be that I added a cool little feature to my website that's gonna ease the process of ordering DTF game sheets from me. And I would like to walk you guys through it. So if you give me a few seconds, I'll show you how it works. All right, Tickety Talk, we're back. So I can walk you through this process. But first, let me start from the beginning. So when you get to my website, www.dtfjunkie.com, the link is in the bio. When you first see my website, you can easily access if you go to order prints here, on the third row, on the second option, you can get to the game sheet builder. Also, if we back up and you simply scroll down past the video playing and click on the image, it'll take you right there. So once you're here, don't disregard choosing a size here and disregard choosing the image. What we want to focus on is this link right here. So you go to this orange button, build your own game sheet. Once you click on it, the application will load, the web application will load shortly, and here we are. So things to look at up here, you have the option to upload your own images. Remember guys, recommended 300 DPI, or you can use images that I have uploaded to the app itself. I'll show you that feature later on. Bear with me. So looking at the app, obviously, it has the rulers on the side. You can pick your size from up here. I'll add some more sizes. I just got to make sure I check with what the file size limit is. So right now I limited it to 22 by 120, which is 10 foot. So we're gonna choose you can choose the size right here. We're gonna do a 22 by 60 to experiment with. If you go to the far right before the top corner, up here you can zoom in or out, which is very handy. On the side and on the bottom, you have your up and down scroll, up and down, and your side to side, right to left. So if you wanna, it also has a low resolution warning. The margins has what you can set your margins, and snap with movement. When snap movement is checked, is when you it'll easily align all the images to each other as you place them and rotate them, as you place them and arrange them on the game sheet. So if we choose upload an image, we'll go to my designs. Let's go to easy stuff that I know it's already sized up. So we're gonna go to use some of my cancer files. So as the image loads on this side, once you click on the image, you can click it once and the image moves over to the canvas. As the image is clicked and highlighted, you can resize from the handles. You can rotate from this little handle right here. Typical stuff, similar, it looks like it's similar to Canva. You can also size it on this side. It does it in inches, so we can easily size it. And you can also very easily duplicate it. So let's straighten this back out. Make sure it's straight. And set it there. So we click on it, we can hit duplicate up here. And you see, when the snap is on, it automatically aligns them top, bottom, and center if they're same size. We can duplicate again. On the one that's clicked, you hit duplicate, it duplicates it. From the toolbar on top, you can also rotate evenly. And as you go over the toolbar on top, it tells you, what the tools are. Align horizontal center. So if we click it, it'll bring it to the center, and so on. You can also on this web application that I've added to the website, you can also remove backgrounds. I haven't tested that yet, but even when you use photo, be worried. Like I was saying, my jelly rolls up here. It's a really nice, it's a very popular design right now on Etsy, but we can easily add that to the canvas. So remove one. So once you click on it once, it adds it to the canvas. And again, you can resize and duplicate as needed. We can scroll down, place it, arrange it as needed. I wouldn't worry too much for the overlap, unless the design is actually overlapping. I wouldn't worry too much about the negative space or the blank space. We can upload another image, and we wait for it to upload. Again, we can fool around with it. Click it once, it adds it to the canvas, and again, you can resize it as needed. If you see what happens when you increase the size too much, if you see the border, that there the border is red, and red is that it's a bad resolution. It's too big, it's losing resolution. So what I'm learning, and you guys are seeing that it doesn't really, it's not a complete graphic software. It's not the app. It's a simple app, more to arrange your already sized and transparent images with a transparent background than it is more than a graphic designing software. So see, if you increase the size too large, it loses the DPI, and as we reduce it, it goes back to the green. So watch the border around your images as you use this feature on my website, and when it's all said and done, just simply go to the top right. You can save and add a cart, and it can walk you to we'll finish up the process. Give me one more. So we're back. I wanted to show you one more thing that I added to the gallery. I also added my gang sheets that I have available on my TikTok shop. So if you guys like any of those gang sheets, they're also available on the app, on my website, to easily just simply upload and add to the cart. All right, Tiki Talk, I'm back again. Let's finish up the video. I appreciate the time and for staying to the end. If you use the code BUILD15 on my website, you get a 15% off for using the tool on the website. If you have any questions, please feel free to PM me. Comment below if you have any questions. Like and follow for more. And if you want to directly connect, my phone number is listed on my TikTok. So please feel free to reach out. I'm more than happy to help out. Thank you and have a good day.